Are you tired of breaking your elbow? Well, wait, what? Jesse Wellens broke his elbow, and we're gonna build an invention to replace his now useless arm. I cut this way too high. Hello, welcome to this abrupt... Okay, I'm sorry, 1 second. Welcome to this abrupt interruption. Today's mess is this arm was supposed to be built for someone else, and we like kind of tried to get in contact with them, and then Dan Mace broke his arm, which was the whole point of building this, is a replacement arm. And I think he's a better candidate to send this to. So, welcome to the first they didn't ask for, but we made it anyways and sent it to someone else. How have we done this? This video was filmed like 2 months ago. Not this was filmed right now. Goodbye. A robot arm. To show you the design, Mr. Bones, take it away. Okay, fine, I'll do it myself. I spent too much time drawing this. Also, what is CAD? How can we come up with something that CAD stands for? Cats are dope. Yeah, here's the drawing. Here, I'll show it to you. We have Jesse and his armband and this robot arm, a linear actuator, and some sort of strap that goes around his bicep. We haven't quite figured out how you're going to control it.
What's wrong with his feet?
I sort of put a lot of detail in here and then just kind of gave it up as we went down. Do you know what they say about people with big feet?
Big socks?
Big socks. So we've got our robot arm, which we're gonna just, oh, that was easy. And we've got our linear actuator. Oh, we've got about maybe 25% of a plan. And we also don't know how to actually control the claw. So we don't have anything to squeeze the claw yet. Also, it's actually kind of tough to pull that. I mean, you can do it with your hand, but like trying to do that electronically. This will go here somehow. This will be on like a pivot. I don't have enough hands. So that'll be like here. Oh my God! Can you help me?
What do you need help with?
Just hold this. So that will be, oh wait, I think it's his left arm. That will be, let me just stand up. What's easier? Hold it out like that. So that'll be like there. This will be strapped to the arm, and this will be like on a pivot. Does everyone agree? Am I on my own here?
I have no idea what's going on.
Let's test the linear actuator. That seems like the easiest thing to do. And I don't really know what I'm doing right now. So, oh, there's the batteries. Come on, batteries. Who comes up with these ideas? Hello. Oh my, that's really strong. I actually broke my wrist pretty bad in 5th grade and had to have a full arm cast. I don't remember what sucked the most though. I don't know. I don't want to know where you're going with this. I wish I could help from experience, but all I think we can do is just try to make him a new arm. Maybe a better arm. Maybe he'll cut the old one off and just use this permanently. We have a lot of stuff to do, and I have no idea how to do any of it. Let's get something to mount to the bicep. Don't film me struggling with this. Maybe if I had a better, stronger hand. Take my good hand. Nope. Can you help me? That was fast. Can you mark this? Mark it like right above the elbow. I don't actually know. So maybe like right above the elbow, like right there. Yeah, just put a little, yeah, that's good enough for me. No! All right, you know what? You get it over with, please, and then. Wow, that's nice and splintery. Hey, are we being too loud again?
No, I don't want the wood chips to get in here.
You thinking that thinking? We want the claw to pivot on the arm. How janky do we want to make things? Because we could totally do like a zip tie hinge. Is that something we're okay with, a zip tie hinge? I don't think I have any hinges. We have to go to the store, which I don't want to leave the house because I'm a hermit. We do have zip ties through there and then back down. Like if you were drinking hot, scalding hot coffee, you would want to pick it up off the table and then bring it up Your face. It could be that we used a zip tie for a hinge instead of a hinge for a hinge. The linear actuator, the pins that came with it are not the right one for this. So you know when you buy something on Amazon and it's like people also buy with this? That's what it was. And it doesn't fit! Hey Dad,
Yeah.
where's the drill press?
Hang on 1 second, Mom. It's in the shed.
Oh. How's your back doing, Cameron John? Not good? Cameron John threw his back out trying to exercise.
We're planning on making it a house of science.
Who are you talking to? That's on... Can I have my phone? Who is that?
Exactly.
Who is that? Don't mind those noises. That's just my neighbors grinding up some dead bodies with a tree grinder. Where are we at? We kind of stopped filming yesterday abruptly, and that's because I don't know. I don't have an excuse. But what I do have is this. A robot arm. Works pretty well. Drilled the holes out. That was a pain in the butt. I still kind of want to complain to Amazon. And the arm shoots down. Oh, that's not good. We almost just broke that. So we have the claw and we took the spring off of it. Taking the spring out of it made it way easier to pull down, but the problem is now you have to push it back up. We can put a spring like somewhere here to push this up and down. Stop making so much noise! Alright, so how do we actuate this? Are we still stuck on this problem? I say we like you're helping it all. You got the easy job. You just stand and watch the suffering and struggling. Let me give you some pets. I brought you a gift. As an orange. We got some fishing line that's wrapped around and tied to the handle. So that'll be all the way closed. Claw open, claw closed. The beginning of the projects, I'm always much more apathetic because we don't know what we're doing. I'm not saying we know what we're doing, but you know less about what you're doing. Once you sort of like see the light at the end of the tunnel, I always get so much more excited. And right now I'm very excited because the electronics I know will be relatively easy. Well, I say that now. What do we do now? Just glue an Arduino to it? People have asked for more sciencey explanations, so to make this segment exciting, we'll have dancing cats. We're gonna use a 2-relay module to control this motor to go up, down, and nothing. If we use 2 relays, we can switch this motor terminal from motor terminal to positive or motor terminal to negative, and the same here for the other ones. Positive on one, negative on the other, it spins one way. You flip them, it spins the other way, and then if you do positive, positive, nothing happens. There'll be 2 states where you could have nothing. It's with positive, positive, and negative, negative. Was that cool? Was that boring? It's sort of depressing watching the audience retention and you're just like... Hi, this is your personalized instructional video, Mr. Dan. I want to let you know that you basically saved this video. If you hadn't broken your shoulder, what is it? Consolidation? Consultation? Consolidary? If it's any consolation? First things first, take your belt off. I actually haven't done this before, so when I say instructional video, I mean it's me figuring it out and you watching, and hopefully this is the first take. Oh look it, we can use this little ledge right here. That works really well. We need more holes. Damn it! Do we go up higher on the chest? Where does it hurt, Dan? Everywhere? You're gonna look so flippin' cool when you put this thing on for the first time. Yeah! I can't believe this worked as well. You just kind of got to like beef your chest out, otherwise it starts to like slip down. Okay, cool. So we don't need that anymore. But what you are gonna need are your ingredients for today's recipe, which is energy drink. William's videos would be boring without it. And so we're gonna first want to clean our workspace. And I think this is where we begin using the arm. Your hand is still okay, right? I'm making a lot of assumptions. If your arm is still good, your hand is still good, I'm gonna assume you can press the button. Step 1, turn on your new arm. Step 2, press the button. Lower the arm by putting our tongue on the lower of the 2 moisture sensors. You should have put more bolts on it to make it move faster. Oh God. Why did we use moisture sensors? And then hook on to an easy to grab portion and close the claw. And You know, this could take some practice. I actually don't think I really had to close it there. I'm gonna lift it back up. Can we like speed this up? Simply clean our workspace off. Oh, why is it clicking? Continue sweeping your workspace. I don't actually know if we needed the claw. We should have just put like a hook on the end of it. Toss that to the side. Put my game face on. And then pick up. Okay, we've got a problem. I can't quite get it onto the, and then set it down, and then do the same thing, and just pick it up. So just press the button, and just pick the glass up. Can we cut? Is his back broken or just the? Yeah! No! All right, Dan, and that is the 3 easy steps to your new arm. Just, oh God, just like give me an email if you have problems with it. Give me an email when you have problems with it. Like every time I laugh, it just moves around. We have to send it to him. We don't have a choice. How else are we gonna grow the channel and broaden our audience if we don't send? I think we spent $100 on this, which, relatively speaking, is pretty cheap for a prosthetic. And I was actually looking forward to drinking that. I'm really thirsty still. Well, Dan, I hope you enjoy your new robot arm. I'm gonna send it in the mail to you. I'm done. I'm bad at unboxing. Patrick Gentry, a piece of paper and a piece of plastic. I am not plugging this into my computer. I love your videos, don't really have anything useful to give you, but here's a USB with a pic of a cat and a song I wrote for you. Oh, he's got a SoundCloud. I think the thought is good, but viruses are bad. Thank you, Patrick. Let's play one of Patrick's songs right now. Gotta go fast, gotta go fast. Oh no. Adam DeBoer? I appreciate it. Is this an iron-on? It's kind of peeling off. Did you pay money for this? He says, I'm sorry, apology accepted. Oh, could we do the Casey thing where he like slams the shirts on? From Maxwell Shaw. I have to talk quiet because we're at Cameraman John's house and his parents are sleeping quietly. That's right, Cameraman John still lives at his parents' house. What a loser. He could live in a trailer at his parents' house like me, then he'd be cool. What do we got? Stickers. These say certified jank. Someone told me jank was a bad word. Oh, brushless motors. My name is Max and I found out about your channel a month ago when you went on the H3 podcast, and since then I'm pretty sure I've watched every video you've ever put out except the one about making fruit with a car. He didn't say that, but that's probably the one I think we're most embarrassed about. Can we agree on that? Thank you, Max. Next. Well, last package we're gonna open today, and this is from the shopping cart because we didn't have any cutting oil. And why didn't you send this to us 2 months ago? Amazon fulfillment. What a weird name. There's no letter. This is probably the nicest cutting oil I ever have and ever will own. We'll see you next time on Unboxing Power Minute. Why did you pan down?